sometimes we just go back to the basic one. Today I'm feel really, I think is cutting off myself for a while. I think the languages is very important one. For now, the insect is disturb me. But as I mentioned before, get back to the basics one, because of 3 2 1 and action is just like you can charging the battery in every time, something that you're gonna be record to start again and again, to recharge battery, to begin with the good things, just like back to the basic one, 3 mission, stay with the Buddha bridge, right? Something like that. Stay and sticking with the Buddha bridge. And something must disturb me for now. So by now, it's not a perfect time, but 3 2 1, the show must go on. I think of that, so by now, insect is disturb me again. My feeling is not a good time. And as I mentioned before, no really ready times, no really ready times. It means it's just do it with the good things. So return back again with the something of, a meaning of something just like a Buddha breed. Stay focused all the daytime. Stay focused on the day. Daily mission of the 3 missions that you must be completed for tomorrow. For me, the vice president is the important one for your life. And number 2 is legal documentary. This is very important thing. So back to the basics. So spy, wolf, paw, anything just like pay wolf, or just like agent, Iron Man. This is something that you can imaginally, but the basic one that you want to change your life is the power of your focus is the key as number 1. And number 2 is number 1, and also the consciously is very important. And number 2 is to stay with the mission. If you not work done, anything is not gonna be change in your life. The working, your mission is very important. Number three is very important thing. That's your activity of healthy. This is the back to the basic one. So, but something that very important, I think, is just like a subset in the meditation is the reviews the market was very important things that I will share with you all around the world about sharings of the markets with no moody, no angry, no greedy, no revenge, or something like that. And find out, stick with the logical mindset, right? So for by now, I will looking for some channel that I'm not gonna be used anymore, alright? And I use that one, you know, to be just like the parts of my activity life, and in that channels it was very perfect one to be record of my basic one action in everyday 3 2 1. It will be recharging your mat all along the day. You can, if you feel down, you gonna be record some things, and you know, and record it, upload to the network to comprise or deploy around the world with your thinking, with your thought. You know, this was very important thing one. So after these sessions of my daily recording, as another one is money guys channels gonna be record also, to find out some of the good point to be tried in entry age on the market also. Alright, I will gonna be reviews of the graphs first for my subconsciously and consciously would stay with the focus, and Dharma breathe is also Buddha breathe for a short word and focus. Okay, let's start with some of the graph that I gonna be review. So by now it's just about 80% of battery along the side while black cord charging also. Okay, let's get started with the trading view again. Okay, maybe I switch some of the brightness to be okay, to be comfortable of my eyes safely for a lot of time, you know that. Okay, I'm gonna stick with it for now. Okay, can I just look to the bottom to the top again and see of the power in daily time frame was it. Okay, I'm gonna be remove of drawings first. Just review from the bottom to the top again and again. You know that. Okay, power JPY first. Right now, as yesterday before, today is just about Tuesday's 8th February, right? So by now, as you can see, the crowd is very fresh. The base of the crowd is fresh. The Kumo is fresh. The price is above the Kishansen and Tenkan-sen, and also the Kumo gonna be golden cross. But the front row is very sticking with the candlesticks already. Alright, so the daily time frames of power yens is not gonna be telling you as much. How about the 4 hour time frames. So why not? I will gonna be review from the bottom to the top again, and also maybe I delete some of all of the alerts that I'm set along the way for yesterday. It's too much. Something is not gonna be like a system. For my feeling, it's not a perfect, but as I said, it's no perfect time. But no need to rush in anything, so I will gonna remove of all the alert to be away and set up bottom to the top, basic by basic of the pairs. Okay, as I mentioned, for now in 4 hour time frames is looking good. The thickness of the crowd is gonna be okay, but the crowd is very fresh right now. The golden cross happened. Fund flows or the present value is above the candlestick and the Kumo already. After the golden cross has happened to the Tenkan-sen and Kishan-sen, it seems like the price can be supported by the Kishan-sen and Tenkan-sen for 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time, 5 time. Right now the price is moving up again, but as you can see on 4 hour time frame, it's very close to this significant resistance. Why I said that is very significant resistance? Because of the long week that's appearance over here. It's many times of the 4 hours earlier before is sticking obstacle with this area, right? So by now it's gonna be obstacle by this resistance again. So this is the one point that you will concern. So you just open up some of the automatically significant SRV2 that I'm always use one. I'm gonna draw horizontal line over here on the dash line automatically that I'm use SRV2. That's very significant one. So another one that I'm will recognize you to draw horizontal line is over here. It's just like as I said before, it's very important. So by now it look like it can be support for 5 times of the Kishan-sen, Tenkan-sen and the Kumo. So just wait when the price can be breaks of this significant resistance, and the technique Kumo is also turn the angle to the upside, and also the top of the Kumo is up, and the base of the crowd is also up too. And of course, Tenkan-sen and Kishan-sen angle 1 is point up. The present value is break above this significant resistance area. Alright. In 4 hour time frames, that's very important one. In 4 hour time frames, as I check and take the news, okay, I'm gonna something that I addict of the drugs effect of my not so very much, so I will be close the air conditioner first. Okay, as you can see, the yellow news is not affect the markets of pound yens anymore. So this is the point one in 4 hour time frames. That's as the big time frames, this is very significant one. How about the middle time frame? If you looking for by chance, May I switching back again? So in middle time frame is 1 hour time frame. As you can see, there is some of the significant resistance as 4 hour time frames that I mentioned before. Alright, can I switch off some automatically resistance? So by now the Kumo is twisting, turning up, but it's so thin, right? It's just startup one that's to be twist to the uptrend, but the base of the crowd is fresh. The top of the crowd is up. The Kishensen's angle turning up, and the Tenkan-sen is fresh right now. The front row is over top of the Kumo already in 1 hour time frames and also over the candlestick. I think it's soon as possible it can be break about this significant support over here. So in 1 hour time frames telling you that. Guys, how about the 30-minute time frames? It's gonna be parallels or evolve of the 4 hour time frames that I'm looking for buy chance strategy. As you can see, the Kumo, the thickness is not bad and it's turned up right now. Over here in 30-minute time frame for now, it look very interesting. The base of the crowd is up and the top of the Kumo is fresh right now. In 30-minute time frame area, you can see some of the doji right here. It's something like if it can break this significant of significantly of the big resistance over here, if we will looking for by chance, but again it's no rush. How about the automatically on 1 hour chart? It seems like it's no resistance above, but no rush, be careful. So we gonna be prepared and set the some ramps allow the 5-minute time frames and also cross the Ishimoku and also the automatically dash lines over here and open some of Bollinger Band. Wow, as you can see. So by now, if the price is squishing for the Bollinger Band, it means charge just like a 3-to-1 as I said before, and then it's expand again, right? The price is moving a little bit, one, and then it's stiff again. So to correction of the sum of power, and then it's boom, it's band walking by the boom, and it squiddy again. Some of squiddy is make some power to make a price that drives the price very fluctuate and sideways right here. You know that some of that's so by now the price is a little bit squeezed for this time. The angle is squished and it makes some of the Bollinger Band walking is boom of something to be here. As you can see the price action in 5-minute time frames, you're gonna see that it's gonna be in stochastic also. It's gonna be days cross it's over here, but it may not be effect if the bullish market is very bullish too much, right? Okay, for buy now, the price is very obstacle with this significant for one time, two time, and also three times like this. But it's too little pips around here. So why not? If you're looking for by chance, you just gonna be set the alarms around this horizontal line here, 156.51, and one per bar close, and then crossing up of the power JPY and create some of the, to the crossbar to break the above resistance. We're gonna see some of the buy chance, over here. Yes, crossing up horizontally. Yes, also saved already. How about the supply action? If we zoom in around here, we gonna see some of, just head and shoulder around here. It's maybe some pips between here, but it's too long. Just about 20 pips around here. So maybe in 5 minute time frame we're gonna see the doji around here, but it seems like it's very close to the resistance above. So just wait when it's clearly to be break the significance resistance before, because it's too short one, you just wait for that. So by now there's will some of correction, the power recharging again, just like 3 2 1 go around here, and then it will boom Bollinger Band 1, to be the uptrend, as the bigger time frames also tell you, like something like that, or the 30-minute time frames is looking for by chance, maybe it will be obstacle with that resistance above. So can I turn back to the 4-hour time frames and switch on the Ishimiki and switch off the Bollinger Band again to see, as I mentioned before, if it can be break to be above. But the 1-hour time frame tell that it just, it's very thin. A little clouds uptrend. Golden cross happen, it just twisting. So we gotta wait for this breaking point, as I mentioned, on 5 minute time frame for looking for some of the, but the 30-minute time frame it looks so good. The cloud has some volume here, around here there has some volume, and it's turned up. So wait until the Kijisen turning point up. The front flow is just break this and this also. It's gonna be looking for some of the buy chance strategy. One in 5 minute time frame, no rush, no lose. Okay, maybe I'm just be stay calm and take it easy to switch to the euro yen and remove off all any drawing, and set it back again and squeeze some stochastic here and delete of all removing. For by now, it's just like yesterday in daily time frame of the euro yens. It's very little one around here, and it's very fresh right now. So the price is gonna be retracement back to the Kumo and Kijisen Tenkan-sen again. In daily time frame, it's telling that the fund flow is pointing up, and it's very close by the candlestick, but it just break above the Kumo and the candlestick to be above, right? But it's very near, and this is so thin one, right? How about a 4 hour daily Euro yen is not gonna be good one for looking for that. So maybe I think is I'm not stay calm or concentrate in traditional meditation anymore. So in very panic one, if the signal gonna be show me up, and I'm jump in the market immediately. It is so not gonna be so calm and easy. Take it easy anymore. It's just about panic and error. Smoothie is full of chart for buy that. It does Buddhaverys. You forget that. So by now, in 4 hour time frames of the Euro Yen, the Kumo is fresh. The angle for Kijisen is a little bit up, but the candlestick is stick with a Tenkan-sen one, and there has some resistance between present value and the candlestick one. The anchor point at the fund flow is up. No. So we will wait until the fund flow is pointing up so far and make some distance more, and of course the base of the crowd is up because the thickness is not bad, and the angle of the crowd is pointing up again and twist to the uptrend. Euro yen is not bad to looking for by chance, just like a euro, as I mentioned before. If it just can break up this resistance, significant one or not, and the Tenkan-sen pointing up, Kijisen much more angle up, and we're looking for the by chance. Can I use for the resistance nearby here? In daily time frames, automate tell you that it's far away. It just breaks some point of the resistance around here. This is very close. In daily time frame, we just wait. It's make some resistance above the candlesticks and the Kumo, and these ones maybe it will retest to the supports or the supports because of the thin, and then Kijisen things is turning up, and it's more like more thickness, and looking for that bounce to be up again. So by now the very close resistance I think is the previous top before around here in daily time frame. But the Ishikamoku in daily time frame does not tell you anything, so we will split back to the 4 hour time frames again. Know that, and looking for some buy chance in the middle time frames and 5 and 15 minute time frame to look for buy chance. In 4 hour time frame, look like the significant resistance is the earlier top before around here. Is a significant one, but the 1 hour chart time frames is not looking good one to be looking for the buy chance right now because of the Kumo was very thin and fresh. is very not good for that, for euro yen. So just like middle time frame, it's not look like for the good time to be trade in here, you know, because of the crowds is very banking and so very thin. Even though it's gonna be golden cross and twist to the uptrend, but it's so thin right now. In the middle time frame, I said it's not too good for the buy chance in 5 and 15-minute time frame strategy. So by now, you just simply stay away again. I think so. So I'm focused on something, about the power yen. I'm just already set the alarms around the power yen already. So, which is my lacking of the time. I will switch to the, to the just said the CAD and looking to be across to the front yen because of it's very, it's very spiky market one. So I'll be twisting up. The cat JPY is not looking for looking for the strategy in daily time frames. How about the 4-hour time frames? It's very banking around the crowd. Something is wrong with the bigger time frames of the cat JPYs. How about the middle time frames? Middle time frames, it look like it can be the good uptrend right now, but the bigger time frame don't tell that. So I simply stay away for fast. Okay, stay away and looking for some of the crypto market. The hot one is Bitcoin and sticky for bigger time frames. Well, by now the price is obstacle with some Kumo over there again, and the fund flow present value is stick with the candlestick, so it's not good for looking for any chance on daily time frames of the Bitcoin. So how about for our bigger time frame is not thick so much of the crowd, but it's just like a middle. It's a normal one. It's not big. The base is flat. We just wait until the angle is up of the base of the crown, and this also good. The top of the crown is up and turn more some of the thickness of the crowns, and the crown switching up just like take off the big jumbo jet. All right, this is a little bit pointing up of 4-hour time frame of Kijun Sen 1, and also for now the Tenkan-sen is pointing up even though the front flow is pointing down, but it makes some distance around here, but it's pointing down to the candlestick again, and it's too close. And of course the price is under the Tenkan-sen already. Maybe it will be retracement to the Kijun-sen in 4-hour time frames. We don't know. Or it can be turning up like I mentioned before, and it can break the previous top on the 4-hour time frames over here, and then we will be looking for by chance. It's gonna be okay, right? Okay. So by now, it will retracement back. Maybe in daily time frame tells you that it can be obstacle with the crowds above. The bigger time frame tells you just about that in the cryptocurrency market. So just simply stay away because of okay. Just simply stay away because of the price will retracement back to the kitchen sink again. I can't sleep because of my low service obstacle. It's too much. So maybe I close some medical channel first of all. Maybe I will break for some in the crypto market first to move for looking for a new chance on tomorrow. But I'm just the middle of the week, like a Wednesday. Tomorrow I'll be, so with the mission important one, some the cryptocurrency market always say that. Okay, maybe I'm turning out the flagship because I'm, just take it easy and, remind yourselves you're gonna review to the crypto market and bottom to the top one. And the bottom to the top one above. Crypto market stay pleasant. And as I promised you, I'm gonna end this session up and it just reboot. Okay, again and again with the YM record some things and uploads on the YouTube in daily of myself to just make some the good things to be change mindset and my life forever, to be a set of some platform that can make some money with and promise, and I'm deployed into the network already. Alright, okay, I'm gonna be end of this session right now and gonna be upload for a while and stay with the Buddha breath. Will stay focused all day all night. Okay, goodbye, see you.